What's going on, everyone? It's the Wolf, and here we're in beautiful Dade City, Florida. We're going to be doing a flagstone pattern for this entryway of this restaurant. Here you can see it has existing brick style tile. So we took a Makita jackhammer with the chisel attachment and just chiseled the tile away. As you can see here, it came off relatively easy. After we chiseled the tile away, we took our Lavina grinder and then gave the substrate a nice profile. Grinding also opens up the pores in the concrete and allows it to breathe, and then what that does, it allows our product to get a nice solid bond. This was after we prepped it, pressure washed it, let that dry, treated the cracks. It looks good and it's ready for product. So the first coat, the grout coat, we're going to be putting down. We're using an integral color. It's called chocolate on our color chart. And that's made by Surecrete. We get 99% of our products from Surecrete just because it works the best for us and we like it a lot. So they're hand troweling. You can magic trowel the grout coat on if you want a nice smooth grout coat. Here we're hand troweling it and they're just giving it a little texture just to give it a little depth and that added aesthetics. Once the grout coat's all cured up, we'll then tape down our flagstone pattern with the fiber tape. And then what we do as an extra measure is we'll take a little slurry of our overlay with a chip brush and we'll just brush the chip brush over our fiber tape pattern and let it set up a little bit and harden. And what that does is it holds on to your fiber tape so you have a peace of mind while you're hand troweling it. You don't have to worry about a corner of the trowel catching your fiber tape and then ruining your pattern.
Most of them look pretty stuck, you know?
Well, I'm gonna start right here first.
So then we put on the final coat. We're going to be spraying it with stain, and they're hand troweling it once again, but adding more texture this time. Then this is a very popular texture. People love this texture. It gives great depth. It's, you know, the aesthetics are great. It acts as a non-skid, but it's not too aggressive. It's very popular. We do this texture a lot. Once that is all said and done and cures up, we'll start pulling our grout tape. And as you can see here, we'll start to get our pattern. Once the grout tape's pulled up, we'll blow it off, vacuum it up. We'll take the chaser, the crack chaser, and just clean up those joints, which you can see here. That's what my brother is doing. We used 3 different colored stains. The customer wanted a rustic oak look to match the door, so we used espresso, oak, and Spanish red. We did 3 coats of the espresso, 2 coats of the oak, and topped it off with 1 coat of the Spanish red, just to give it that red rustic tint. We'll take the spray bottle with the color mixed in, and then when we're spraying the stain on, you want to be about a foot off the ground, moving in circular motions, and that allows for your color to disperse nice and evenly. Then we apply the sealer. We always do 2 coats of sealer. We're using Surecrete Super 30. It's a great outdoor sealer. The best part is that it allows the concrete to breathe still, which is great because that minimizes cloudiness, haziness, if moisture gets trapped. And here's the final product, guys. I think it came out beautiful. I know it's a small one, but these ones are always the best. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. Also consider subscribing. It helps out a lot. Thank you, and as always, have a great day.
If any of you guys are on TikTok, go check out Concrete Kate. Give her a follow. She's the one that got me all this great footage that I used to make this video. She's also my brother's wife, one of the owners of the business. We are family owned and operated, so any and all support helps and is greatly appreciated, and we love each and every one of you.